right, so we can go down here and I'll introduce myself and then we can get started. So hi everyone, we're a little bit of a small group today, but but if you can't hear me, just please let me know and I'll speak a little bit louder. So my name is Ben, I'm a third year in the college, I'm a political science major, originally from New York City. On campus I'm involved in University Theater and the Partnership for the Advancing of Refugee Rights and Jewish Life. So alright, so let's get started. So the University of Chicago was founded in 1892 with a generous donation by John D. Rockefeller, who said it was the best investment he ever made. The University of Chicago is an educational and non-sectarian foundation. So that means that this campus has been home to different people coming together to study different ideas from different perspectives since its founding. And that's really evident in every aspect of campus life. So you see that on the main quads, where there isn't a math building or an English building. Everything's kind of mixed, so there will be an economics classroom, and then an hour later an English class will meet there. You see that in our house system. Club is a place called the Office of the Reynolds Club and Student Affairs, ORGSA for short. It's basically the anchor to our over 400 registered student organizations on campus. We call them RSOs for short. I don't know why we don't just call them clubs, but we don't. So if you want to start a group on campus, it's incredibly easy to do. You just get 6 friends and go to that basement. You sign like 2 forms, and then they're there with money and support. They help you market your group and get new people. It's incredibly easy to start a group. It's harder to find a gap in student programming. So for example, on the top of Ryerson is one of 2 big telescopes and like observation areas on campus. The other is on the top of Pearson Physics Teaching Center. So last year, this is a really good example of the University of Chicago student being kind of really well-rounded. There was a Shakespeare Under the Stars event where the Shakespeare group and the astrophysics group came together. So it was kind of